Hello there. Imagine how great it would be if you could analyze all your embedded pages, images, PDFs, videos, maps, etc. right from your dashboard. You can do it with EmbedPress. Embed content in one click and track down all content performance. Let's have a look at how EmbedPress Analytics works and what granular level data it provides. First, make sure you have installed and activated EmbedPress. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard. From left, click on EmbedPress and then select Analytics. It will take you to the Embedded Content Analytics Summary dashboard. Inside the Analytics Overview section, you can see your total embeds, total views, unique views, total clicks, and total impressions. You can also change the date and month using the date range filter at the top. On the calendar, you will find additional filters for even more control. You can also choose which page builder embed analytics you want to track, whether it is Elementor, Gutenberg, other page builders using shortcode, or all of them together. To access deeper insights, you need to install and activate EmbedPress Pro. Once EmbedPress Pro is activated, you can overview more insights, such as location analytics, device analytics, UTM traffic sources, and several other advanced sections. You can even explore detailed analytics of every page builder by clicking on the eye icon inside the Overview panel. In View Locations, you can review impressions, clicks, and views, along with a full performance overview. You can also monitor views over time. On the right side, Device Analytics and Browser Analytics let you see how your content performs across different devices and screen resolutions, as well as browsers, operating systems, and devices. Scrolling down, you will find two more powerful sections: UTM traffic sources on the left and per embed analytics along with top-performing content on the right. In UTM traffic sources, you can check clicks, views, and click-through rates. In per embed analytics, you can track source views, clicks, and impressions. Meanwhile, top-performing content shows which embeds generate the most views, clicks, and engagement. If you don't want to track down clicks, views of embedded content, then you have full control to turn it off. And when you are ready, you can export your data in 3 different formats, either as a PDF, an Excel sheet, or a CSV file. After exporting, you will receive a clear and well-aligned report with all the details you need to measure the performance of your embedded content. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Enjoy analyzing your embedded content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy embedding!